Hello, hello. Hello, hello, beautiful peoples. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. So, habang matagal pa yung ating chance kay Boss Meta, syempre, dito muna tayo sa ating side hustle. Magre-repot ako ngayon. Marami pa akong for repotting, for cutting, for repotting. So, nakapag-mix na ako kagabi ng soil. At ito yung aking mga side dish. Ito ay Grow Well. At ito ay Dufos. Magkaiba yung color kasi yung isa is previous na stock, and then yung darker na yan yung bagong stock na nabili ko kay Sir Doc, yung Grow Well at yung Dufos. So that's all muna for today, guys. Enjoy the rest of the day and love, love, love.